for showing you how to remove the back bumper of a Seat Arosa. So let's get started. So first thing we gotta do is to remove the tail lights because the screws are underneath. Here's the screw. You can loosen them here. Just take it away. Pretty easy. Same on the other side. By the way, this is a good time to clean all this stuff behind here because it's always difficult to clean there when you're in the washing street or somewhere. So here you found the next screws. These are torque screws. Next thing you're gonna need is a T30 torque screw. One on this side and one on the other side as well. Good trick is to put the screws where they went later, you know, so you don't search the screw which belongs to which place. Just put it under it and you won't lose it. The same you can do with the two screws from the taillights. Put them in place and you don't search them later. So next thing is that we have some screws here, downside. For this you need a T25. I would recommend such a tool because there's not much space. If you have bigger wheels, maybe you need to remove the wheels first. There are 3 of them. One is here on the top. Same job on the other side. So, there were some more screws down under the car and under the bumper. You can see under the bumper another 1, 2, which should be removed. originally, the one under the car, were a T30s. But mine's were pretty worn out, so I used the T25 and it was working. So guys, before you remove the back bumper, remember there are some cables for the number plate lighting, and on this car you see there are some park distance controls installed, which may be also connected with some cables, so watch out before you put it down. Maybe use something like an old alloy wheel or something like that, a tire, to put it on when it comes down, when you're alone. So it took me a little while to remove this aftermarket park controllings. Using everything, take out the park controls. This is a thing you don't need to do if you don't have them. But you see, it's pretty easy to remove the back bumper, and it's very lightweight as well. You can see the condition is not too poor, only pretty dirty, a little bit of rust on the bumper holder, but nothing major which should make problems to us. Nothing special, just a standard window cleaner is enough. I don't clean it like hell, only a little bit so that it's not so dirty anymore when you're working on it. No towel, a little bit of glass cleaner. Because all the shit you remove, you won't have later in the face when you're down underneath the car. If you want, you can remove the rust there and put new color on it. I don't mind, it's nothing major. But these things you can see here, this nests of spiders and so on. This can cause rust when enough shit stays there. So I remove it. So to me it's good enough. There's one question. Why fucking cables always do this, you know? Why they can't stay smooth and line?